Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you how to get long answers from ChatGPT. So if you type on ChatGPT, write 3000 or 5000 words about something, it will only write about 500 to 600 words. But if you want it to write longer words, then you need to give some commands. So for example, right now I gave it write 3000 talking about basketball, and it wrote a lot of stuff, but still it is 600 words. And then all you need to do is just type continue, and then it would continue writing from the previous last word. And after that, if you wanted more, then just type continue, and you might see that at the end of the sentence it is giving you a conclusion. So just type continue without conclusion, or if you want a summary, just type continue and add a summary. But if you want the answers like really long, you can even type like continue, write the previous answer 5 times longer or 10 times longer, or yeah, so it's pretty easy. Just like give it commands and it will do it for you. I hope it helped. Like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Thank you.